Struggling with weight loss? What if I told you that in just 2 weeks, you can start shedding those extra pounds without extreme dieting or hours at the gym? Stick with me, because today I'm sharing simple, powerful tips to help you lose weight fast and safely. Hey there, I'm your wellness mentor, and welcome to Wellness Mentor, your go-to channel for all things health, wellness, and fitness. If you're looking to jumpstart your weight loss and see real results in just 2 weeks, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be guiding you through some effective strategies that are easy to follow and sustainable. We'll cover key areas like diet, exercise, hydration, and a few lifestyle tweaks that will make all the difference. Let's dive in. Before we begin, I want to remind you that rapid weight loss should be done responsibly. These tips will help you see results quickly, but for long-term success, a healthy, balanced lifestyle is the key. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. Step number 1 is creating a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. But don't worry, this doesn't mean starving yourself or counting every calorie. Focus on portion control and making healthier choices. Try cutting back on high-calorie snacks and replacing them with nutrient-rich options like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 500 to 700 fewer calories per day, which can help you lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. Next up is your diet. A high-protein, low-carb approach can be super effective for quick weight loss. Protein helps build muscle, boosts metabolism, and keeps you feeling full longer. Include foods like chicken, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas in your meals. At the same time, try to reduce your intake of refined carbs like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. This will help control your blood sugar levels and prevent cravings. Hydration plays a huge role in weight loss. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, at least 8 glasses, and try to have a glass of water before meals. This can help reduce your appetite and prevent overeating. Cut out sugary drinks like soda and juice and stick to water, herbal teas, or black coffee. Staying hydrated also boosts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins. Now, let's talk exercise. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to lose weight in 2 weeks. Incorporating 30 minutes of daily cardio, like brisk walking, running, or cycling, can make a big difference. Combine this with bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks to tone your muscles and burn fat. Don't forget that strength training helps build lean muscle, which burns more calories even when you're resting. Believe it or not, sleep and stress management are critical when it comes to weight loss. Lack of sleep can mess with your hunger hormones, making you feel hungrier and less satisfied after meals. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. And don't forget to manage stress. High stress can lead to emotional eating and cravings. Incorporate stress relief techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga into your daily routine. The key to success is consistency. Track your progress, whether it's through photos, measurements, or simply how your clothes fit. And remember, this is just the beginning. The tips I've shared will help you jumpstart your journey, but the real magic happens when you commit to making healthy choices every day. So there you have it. 5 powerful tips to help you lose weight in just 2 weeks. Remember, consistency is key, and this is the start of your wellness journey, not the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to Wellness Mentor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep pushing toward your goals.